We're back with another one of our most popular shows. It's time for the Tulsa Garden Club Garden Tour Show. And joining me today is Kathi Blazer. Kathi, thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome.
So let's first start talking about a little bit about the history of the Tulsa Garden Club.
You know, that's an easy thing to do. This is a legacy club. It's 94 years old. They began in the oil boom when the town wasn't looking good, and these women wanted to beautify it. So they proceeded to do just that, and over time, they added terraces of rose gardens to the Woodward Park, and eventually, they convinced the city to buy the mansion at Woodward Park to house the plant societies. And so from 1954 on, we've been housed there. They were a very active group, and we've continued that, but we've evolved into some other areas.
Yeah, you guys are always doing a lot in the community also. Let's
Yes.
talk a little bit about what you guys do as a club presently.
You know, that's a long list. I'll give you my favorites,
Okay.
really. Is that we do empowerment. And so we pick groups that are doing horticulture related things, and all the money that we ever raise goes to them. And things like 4-H, Global Gardens, New Leaf, Up with Trees, Penny Pines, Prairie, the Tallgrass Prairie, and then of course scholarships for Oklahoma State's Horticulture and Landscape Program and Dick Connors Correctional Center.
Yes, yes, we're covering everything. You really are all over.
But I'd save my best for last. We have decided that we're not always going to be here, obviously. The earth is going to have to be taken care of by others. That is the young. And so we have started a program called Generation Green to get those young kids in. And we've got all sorts of things going on with that, including a center just for children that's at the Teaching Garden barn. So this is our current big push.
Well, that's fantastic. So I know you guys also do a lot just as a club socially. Tell us a little bit about your monthly meetings and how somebody might become a member as well.
Our monthly meetings are fabulous. We have 105 members that mostly come on and off to those meetings, and our programming is over the top. And we just bring in specialists in all kinds of gardening environmental areas. You know, if it interests you to work with a garden club, you could work with kids, you could work in the garden. We have lots of options. Please look at our website. We'd love to have you.
Okay, well, thank you so much. I know you guys are an active group, and we look forward to seeing the gardens today.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.